I've been walking these streets in the finest of rain. I'm soaked to the bone under your window pane. I've counted the moths that are drawn to your bedroom lights. I've whittled an owl as its beauty took flight. I think I may have figured out why. Finally found the very reason for all this confusion. The only conclusion is love. I have surrendered each nerve, from my crown to my soul, though I barely deserve